Okay, so we're back. And we're making another video. I'm gonna do it all about the nature in our garden because we have so many plants. Do mention it. So let's get started. Whoa! So we have this rose that I always use for the introduction for the beautiful rose. And then yeah, we have this big plant. It's made out of foam. And then we have some potted plants up in the air. This one's still living. These two are dying. And then we have these beautiful plants.
Let's read them.
Okay. These are my favorite plants. I like to water them from above, and seriously, almost like everything is my favorite. See, since there's like a little hole, they go down the stem into the pot. And then it would go around right here on the leaves, like swirly, whirly, whirly. It's like a water slide. And then I have another one over there. See that? But I think we're gonna have two, but this one doesn't have that much leaves. This one has a lot. So like this one only has one on the bottom. So I like to mention this. This is really fake because you can bend it, you can even break it. It's like really fake. And you can see because there's no dirt. That's just rock. I have a fan that blows everything so there can be oxygen for the plants. And then we have these. These are the plants that I usually do. And then to water them, we use these spray plants because they're from the desert. That's their habitat, the desert. So we usually don't give them water that much, like maybe once a month or once a week. This is my plant. Her name is Icy, and only water if the soil is dry. It's a bad idea that Daddy put it there because this one needs water. And then the rest don't need that much because they're different habitats. I called her Icy because when I first saw her, she had these water droplets on her and it looked so cute. I wish I could show you, but I don't want to waste the water. And then we have these plants. I don't know what they are. And we have these heart-shaped plants. They have like a red violet in the middle of them and they start spreading. It's like paint. I wish I could paint them, but I don't have any paints. Well, I do, but they're all mixed up. And then if we go outside, we have a beautiful garden right here. These potted plants right here. And then we have more. Because these started as a little wet thing. Now they're making a bush. And then before, we didn't even have this part of the garden. We're making all of it by ourselves, except this one. We just added bricks around it to make it look decorated. And this one we didn't have. We just put bricks there. We took away the grass and then we added the bricks. And then we added the mulch to it. And then there you go, you have the plants. This is my favorite part because it's like you're in heaven of plants. And we even have some decorations. See which way the wind is and more. And then, yeah, and we have some purple types of these. And remember we have white ones, see? White ones. This is again one of my favorites. This one, this big one, like a tree, grows very nice roses. And this one with the palm tree, and there's like the same over there, but it's like bushes now. See? It's already crowded with flowers. I guess the flowers are like the palm trees. The palm trees don't get that much water because, no, they don't. They only store it in their stock. And then, there you go. That's our neighborhood. And then we have some vines everywhere. And yeah, basically everything. So yeah, and that's it. I hope you enjoy this video. So, bye.